Hey guys, so this is a Pixel 3 XL, and this is a Pixel 3a XL. And you're probably wondering what the difference is here. Well, Google has gone and decided that they wanted to make a more affordable version of the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, so here we are. And there's really not a lot of differences here, but let's get into them. So the first thing you're probably gonna notice is that these phones are made of this polycarbonate plastic. So they're not the same soft touch glass that you're getting on the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, but that's because they're made to be a lot more low spec and low price. Now the Pixel 3a and the Pixel 3a XL are both running a Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor, so they are definitively mid-range. They're not gonna be running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 that you're gonna find in the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, but they're really made for more developing markets or people that just really want to get into the Pixel ecosystem and especially take advantage of that camera. And like I just said, that camera is still here. You're still getting pretty much the exact same camera that you're getting on the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, and that's a huge benefit of getting these phones. The Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL pretty much still have the best smartphone cameras on the market, so if you're able to get those cameras at a much reduced rate, that is a big plus. Now you're still getting 4 GB of RAM, just like we got in the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, but now you only have a 64 GB storage option, so if you wanted to have a little bit more storage, you're not gonna be able to get that here. Now, if we move over to the screen, you're also going to notice that you're not going to have that giant mega notch that you're getting on the Pixel 3 XL. On the Pixel 3a XL, it kind of looks like a Pixel 1 XL on the front. So if you don't mind those bigger bezels, but you still want the really amazing camera, this could be a really nice phone to get. Now both of these phones have OLED screens, so you're still getting the always on display, you're still getting Now Playing if you want to hear what song is currently playing on the radio, but the things you're not going to get here are water resistance and wireless charging. So this phone is not going to work on your Pixel stand, unfortunately. If you want to get that accessory, you're going to have to get a Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL. But you still have Active Edge, so if you want to activate Google Assistant without saying, "Hey G," you can just squeeze the phone and it'll still work just like the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. So ultimately, if you don't mind the plastic build and you don't really need wireless charging, and you also don't really mind that it's running a mid-range chip, but honestly, a lot of these mid-range Qualcomm chips are actually pretty good, then these are a great pickup. The Nexus 5 from Google also had a plastic build, and that's still considered one of the greatest Android smartphones of all time. And I've seen in the Reddit comments and r/Android, a lot of people are talking about wanting a phone with a plastic build again. So this could be really cool if you want to get something like that. Now these phones are going to come in very similar colors to the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. You're getting just black, clearly white, and there's a new color. It's called purplish, and so it's basically white but with a slight purple tinge. It's basically the same thing that you're getting with the not pink, but in a purple variety. So if you want to learn more about these phones, make sure you head over to AndroidAuthority.com. We have tons of pictures, we have tons of information, all the pricing, specs, everything over there. And make sure you stay tuned to our YouTube channel because we're going to have a lot more videos from here at Google I/O, and I will catch you in the next video.